You're a runner who's serious about getting better. You track your miles, you feel the burn, and you're always pushing for a new personal record. But how do you really know if you're improving? You need data, not guesswork, and you don't need a complicated smartwatch to get it. You need a tool built for one purpose, to help you train. Today, we're unboxing the legendary Timex Ironman Classic 30, the ultimate no-frills training tool for runners who are ready to get serious. Right out of the box, you can feel it. This thing is feather light. Timex designed this with a durable, lightweight resin body, so it won't weigh you down a single step. For a runner, comfort is everything. You'll forget you're even wearing it. For any serious runner, the Chronograph is your best friend. This has a 100-hour chrono with lap and split times. That means you can track every single interval, every sprint, every recovery jog with pinpoint accuracy. This isn't just a stopwatch, it's a training partner. And look at this, the famous indigo nightlight. If you're an early bird or night owl, you'll know how crucial this is. One button press and the display is crystal clear, no matter how dark it is outside. So, if you're a runner who's ready to level up your training without the clutter and complexity of a smartwatch, the Timex Ironman Classic 30 is your answer. It's the one tool you need to get the data that will turn your effort into real, measurable progress.